Beckman got his start in the dairy industry at Stolting Company, where he was a welder manufacturing dairy and cheese-making equipment.
Did that for several years and worked my way up through the shop. I was in the factory worker. Started building cheese equipment on the factory floor and eventually moved into a service position for the company.
He liked what he did, but something always bothered him.
But the focus really wasn't on repairs and things that customers would send in to get repaired. And they would end up sitting in the corner and collecting dust. And that always really concerned me, that somebody should really be working on that to get that back out to that customer.
So when his wife asked him to retire, he decided to open a business refurbishing curd knives for cheese companies.
As far as I know, I'm the only person that does this particular type of job anywhere that just focuses on curd knives. Other companies may build vats and their knives that go with it and other associated products, but as far as I know, I'm the only one that does this type of work just exclusively.
Now Terry has recruited his daughter's brother-in-law into the business to ensure that cheesemakers are able to continue crafting the products we all love.
And he asked me if I wanted to come around and see what he did, because he was looking for somebody to train and take over the business. So I said, well, come on down. I came on down and I loved it, so I'm here.
While Stefan knows it's a niche business, he's proud to carry the tradition of manufacturing and maintaining curd knives well into the future.
And I'd like to continue to do it exactly the way Terry does it.
And now you know you're Wisconsin.